PETZL Adjust Lanyard. We have the 1 meter version on all of our harnesses over the past year now. We also incorporated the ease-hook, the PETZL ease-hook onto it as well, just to make it even simpler for us. The main use for this is work positioning. So on a structure like this, we can take it on, clip on just as easily, tighten it up, take a little tension off it to loosen it up, just as easy as that. Another way we can use it is clipping back in onto ourselves in that manner as well. Other thing we use this for now is we use it for our vertical A climbing as well as our horizontal A climbing as a point of connection, and we also use it for our litter attachment. Our litter attachment to the basket is our another second point of attachment for us if we need it. And then last but not least is we use it for all of our rescues now. So this is also a second point of attachment for our rescuers. We'll have a sling and this as our second point as our backup device going into our victim for any rescue.